Hello student, this video lecture is prepared for particulate technology subject for diploma students, and today we will discuss about the derivation of effectiveness of the screen. So we know that the screen is used to separation of solid material depending upon their size. So here we will derive the equation for effectiveness of the screen, or we can say another word, efficiency of that screen. So here is the screen which is contains some feed of material A and B, where A is oversized material and B is undersized material. Out of the total material feed to the screen, some part of it is removed as an overflow and remaining part is collected as underflow. Suppose this screen is having 10 millimeter diameter, and if we are having the material of 11 millimeter size, so that material is not passing through the screen, so that material is called oversized material. And if we are having 9 millimeter solid material in this feed, then that material is passing through this screen, so that material is called a underflow because the screen diameter is 10 millimeter. So the material having diameter greater than 10 millimeter is remain in overflow, and material having diameter less than 10 millimeter is go into the underflow. So in this way we can separate the overflow and underflow material. So suppose F be the mass flow rate of feed kg per hour. So mass flow rate means how many kgs of total feed is fed to the screen. Suppose if we feed the 2 kg material per hour to the screen, that is called mass flow rate of the feed. Then after screening we get the material is separated, so that material is called D. So D is the mass flow rate of overflow. Here we are obtaining the B, that is the mass flow rate of underflow, which is in kg per hour. So the unit of the mass flow rate is kg per hour. Then suppose if we want to take the effectiveness of the screen, for that purpose we have to take the only one material. That means suppose if we take the material A, which is known as the oversized material. So how many material is present in feed, that is known as the XF. So XF is called a mass fraction of material A in feed. Then after screening we obtain overflow and underflow material. So XD is XD is the mass fraction of material A in overflow, and XB is the mass fraction of A in underflow. So that is known as XB. So why this happening? Actually, if we feed the A material to the screen, all material should be go into the overflow because it is having diameter greater than 10 millimeter. But sometimes the screen efficiency, or always note that the screen efficiency does not meet to the 100%. So for that purpose, some of the material A is passing through the underflow, A material. So that material is called a XB. Then we know that there is another material known as the B, which is known as undersized material. So this is also present in feed. This material is also present in overflow, and this material is also present in underflow. So how that quantity is calculated? We have to add the mass fraction of A and B, which is equal to the 1. So if we are having the total mass fraction is equal to 1, then we know that XF is the mass fraction of A. So 1 minus XF is nothing but the mass fraction of material B in feed. Similarly, mass fraction of material B in overflow is 1 minus XD, and mass fraction of material B is 1 minus xB in underflow. Then we have to calculate the effectiveness of the screen. So for that purpose, we have to write the material balance. So material balance is nothing but input is equal to output at the steady state condition. That means how many material you have given to the any process, that should be taken out from the output. So that is known as the material balance. So here the material balance for the screen is done as F is equal to D plus B. That means suppose here the total material is, or mass flow rate is F. That means some material is going into the overflow and some material is going into the underflow. So F is equal to overflow D plus underflow B. So this is written here. Similarly, the material balance for A over the screen. That means we have to use the material balance of oversized material. So how many material present in a oversize in the feed, that is XF. So we know that XF material is present here in a feed, XD material is present in overflow, and XB material is present in a underflow. So this is overflow material. So that material is called as A. So here the material balance for that material XF into F is equal to XD into D plus XB into B. So this is suppose the equation number 5.19. So these numbers are coming from your notes. So please refer that. Then from this equation 5.18 we can write F minus B is equal to D. So we have to just rearrange this equation. Then put this value F minus B is equal to D into the equation 5.19. So this equation. So if we putting this value here, D, what is D? F minus B, you have to put here, and then kept remaining things as it is. So XF into F, XD as it is, you have to put the value of D here and XB here. Then solve this bracket and rearrange this equation in this format. B by F is equal to XD minus XF divided by XD minus XB. So this is the equation number 5.23. Then again you have to put the B is equal to F minus D from this equation. So 5.18 we get B is equal to F minus D. So again you have to put that in equation number 5.19. So this equation, and do the similar calculation here, and we get D by F is equal to XF minus XB divided by XD minus XB. So these two equations is called, this above equation is called, is 5.23 is called underflow ratio, and this equation is called overflow ratio. Then we will see what is the definition of effectiveness of the screen, or it is also called a screen efficiency. It is a measure of the success of the screen in a closely separating undersized and oversized material. That means if you put the oversized material, it should be goes into the oversized, and if we put the undersized material in the mixture, then it should be go to the undersized. So if the perfectly screen means we can say that is the ideal screen. Sometimes it is called the ideal screen. So ideal screen, all the material is passing into oversized material in A and undersized material B. Then screen effectiveness is based upon or defined upon two types, that is oversized material and undersized material. So this is the definition. So according to this definition, how many amount of the oversized material is actually in overflow and how many material is present in the field. So that ratio is called a screen effectiveness of A. Similarly, the screen effectiveness of the B is EB. So this is also having same definition. Instead of here A, we have to put B. So it is the amount of undersize material B, that is actually in the underflow, to the amount of undersize material B in the feed. So that is EB. So we know that B into 1 minus XB is the undersize material, and this is the material which is in the feed. So combined overall effectiveness of the screen is given by multiplication of these two. So capital E is equal to EA and EB. That means effectiveness of the material A multiplied by the effectiveness of the material B, which gives the overall efficiency of the screen. Then if we put the value of EA and EB, that means effectiveness of oversized material A and effectiveness of oversized material B into the equation, from equation 5.25 and 5.26 into the 5.27 equation. So you have to put the values of EA and EB here. So these two values you have to put here. Then we get this type of equation, which is having the number 5.28. Then we have already calculated the value of D by F and B by F in the equation 5.24 and the equation 5.23. So that values, that means this value 5.23 and 5.24, you have to put here D by F and B by F. So we get this equation is in the another form, E is equal to XF minus XB, then value of B, that is XD minus XF into XD into 1 minus XB, and again you have to put the value of F. So F is nothing but XD minus XB, and here we are having square, so XD minus XB square into XF into 1 minus XF. So this is called the effectiveness of the screen. So this equation is used to calculate the effectiveness or efficiency of the screen. Thanks.